Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what can be expected in the month of April. So these are general readings, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what can be expected in the month of April for Capricorns. Wow, we have the Four of Wands, okay, the Moon, Ace of Swords, the World, the Six of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Ten of Wands, the High Priestess, the Four of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. That's what I was wondering, why that card isn't coming out. So Capricorns, you are, I should say, you are either in a relationship, it is a committed relationship you are in, or you want to be in. So but what I feel is you are in a connection or a relationship which seems to be committed and having a long-term plan or a goal. You want to commit to each other, or you're already committed and you plan to have a family type of a thing. But what I feel is, with the Moon card being there, there is some sort of uncertainty in this direction. You really, perhaps even if you are committed to this person, perhaps you really don't know how to take a move forward or take a step ahead. But there is something in this connection or in this relationship which is which is not very clear. You really don't know how to move ahead type of a thing. There is some sort of mystery to it. There is some sort of lack of clarity to it. Rather than mystery, is something is hidden perhaps, or things are not very clear at some point in right at this point in time. But yes, with the Ace of Swords being there, that clarity is coming in. So whatever it is which is not very clear right now, then you just let it be. With the time, that clarity is going to come with the Ace of Swords, and you have a new beginning there. And once this clarity is over, or this cloudiness, or this the clouds of doubt, or whatever they are, not doubt exactly, but yes, the doubt in the sense as to which direction to move forward, what should be done, will it be moving forward or not, type of a thing, that clarity comes in, and you are able to step up or move into a different phase of life or a new chapter of your life. Okay, with the Six of Cups and the Three of Pentacles, what I feel is, this is the clarity which is coming up here is there is some sort of a reconciliation over here. That's what I feel. Or moving, not moving, maybe even moving, but then it is a reconciliation with somebody whom you know from the past, or you have had good times with, or anyway, you're getting back to that happiness which you once had in life. And with the Three of Pentacles being there, what I somehow, the vibe which I'm getting is, it is like either you are collaborating with someone or talking to your family and friends, and then there is some sort of a reconciliation and getting back together type of a thing. So to me it looks like a reconciliation only. Okay, or maybe this is what you are discussing. So this is a clarity which you have achieved or come to, okay, this is how I should move forward. And then you make a decision over there, and you then perhaps discuss it with your family and friends, that this is what you want, this is how I want to move ahead in this relationship. And once you are doing that, you are ready to open up, and you are ready to offer this cup of love to the person, whosoever it is. And with the Ten of Wands, once you are able to make this decision, and once these clouds are clear, the clouds which were not making you make a move, or you really didn't know which path to move ahead type of a thing, once that clarity comes in, and once you are able to move towards this direction or make a move forward, you feel unburdened, you really feel light, you really feel good about it. And with the High Priestess and the Four of Swords, the Ten of Cups following it, this is what you feel your intuition says. So you are intuitively guided in whatever decision you are taking. And what I feel is that once you are opening up and offering this commitment or love or whatever it is, from your side, once you are able to do that, you feel unburdened. Okay, and during this process of unburdening, you are really lying low, you're just resting, giving yourself that time, giving this relationship the time. And this is just time when you're focusing on your own self, because maybe this was a burden you've been carrying from a long time, and now it is a time for you to just take a break type of a thing. And what I feel here is that things have sorted out, because here we have the 10 of cups. So once you are able to unburden yourself, once you are able to gain clarity as to how to move forward in this situation, and once the clarity comes that okay, I need to reconcile, I need to talk to this person, that is what you are doing. And once you are able to make that loving communication with the person, you really feel light and unburdened. It is like when you are able to clear the air, you feel light and good about it. And what you are getting in reward is this 10 of cups. You're getting that commitment, you're getting that emotional satisfaction and happiness. So you are really focusing on your healing then. So beautiful reading, Capricorns. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Capricorns. People are admiring you with the three of diamonds being there. This is admiration. This is people are just looking at, okay, maybe whatever this is, you've really done it, you've really accomplished it. It's something like that. And to me it is like a house also. It's like a home. Maybe you are entering a home, because here we have the 10 of cups. So maybe that is what it is. That is what you've decided to. From the 4 of wands we are getting to the 10 of cups. So things are stepping up, definitely. Guidance from the angels. 6 of emotion. Memories can fill your heart with many emotions. It is important to remember your past accurately without seeing it as better or worse than it was. People you used to know may return to your life unexpectedly. Children could be an important issue, or you may need to reconnect with your inner child. So that's what I'm saying. It is, to me it looks like a major reconciliation out here, Capricorns. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.